In today's video, some of the best supplements na hindi nyo alam, tsaka yung current supplements na tinitake ko. Let's go! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. Kung bago kayo dito, this channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So one of the questions na laging tinatanong sa akin ng mga subscribers or mga followers, Coach, ano ba yung okay na supplements? Ano yung mga tinitake mo? And can you give us some recommendations? And for me, honestly, ito yung pinaka-worth your money. Kasi maraming supplements out there. They are marketed extremely well, pero hindi mo naman talaga sila kailangan. I'll drop some research articles rin to back it up. So bago natin kunin yung mga supplements are just there to help you enhance or to improve something. Hindi talaga sila kailangan, but they can make your life easier. Mas maganda pa rin talaga na kumain tayo ng enough nutritious food such as your protein, carbs, and fats, tapos gulay. That is better than any other supplement. A healthy, well-balanced diet with regular exercise. Okay, with that out of the way, pipili ako ng random supplement. So for our first supplement, I have pre-workout. This one is called Total War from Redcon. Ang purpose talaga ng pre-workout is to help boost your workouts. Sa mga nakatry na ng ganito, alam nyo naman na it's just extra energy. Kasi this stuff is loaded with caffeine. I recommend na you guys test it out muna. Huwag kayo mag-full scoop agad. Try quarter scoop, half scoop. Kasi hindi rin okay pag mag-overdose tayo sa mga ganito. Parang kape, di ba? Black coffee or any type of coffee with caffeine, kung sumobra ka talaga, that can be very dangerous. Now, the reason why I like this is actually a brand na one of the top na favorite ko kasi okay yung caffeine niya tsaka yung pump na nabibigay niya. Some pre-workouts have pumps, so when you're working out, talagang nakikita mo talaga na putok yung muscle, tsaka may extra energy ka for lifting. Ginagamit ko to honestly kapag medyo pagod ako or kulang ako sa energy. Pero nagsiskip na ako ng coffee. If you take too much caffeine and masana yung katawan mo, your body builds a tolerance to those things. So kailangan hinay-hinay tayo. Pero this one, I recommend that you guys try it out. Napaka-solid. Yung gantong supplement, di mo naman kailangan masarap siya, pero importante yung effect niya sa'yo during the workout. I recommend na you use it when you're lifting and hindi masyado sa cardio. Kung cardio lang, kahit caffeine supplement or kape, di mo kailangan yung extra properties na nandito sa pre-workout na to. Kung kunyari ka-cardio mo lang or maglalakad ka lang, use it for when you're weight training. Next supplement, ito, alam ko na to. So this one is also a pre-workout pero non-stim siya. So ibig sabihin nun, wala siyang caffeine. It has some of the properties na can give you a better workout. So may pumps. But I like to use this basically kapag night session. Kunyari, busy ako the entire day, tapos gusto ko mag-gym, I need an extra boost, I will use a non-stim pre-workout. So this one is NutraBio, stim-free, wala siyang caffeine, so mas makakatulog ka compared to kung mag-caffeine ka late at night. I personally only take caffeine up until mga 4 to 5 p.m. kasi any later than that, mahirapan na ako makatulog. So this is a good alternative kung hindi naman kayo stim junkie or kung hindi kayo masyadong sanay sa caffeine but want the extra kick of a pre-workout. Next supplement. Okay, so this is called Athlean Active Greens. Hindi kailangan Athlean yung brand nyo, but I use Athlean kasi I'm with Athlean. So they send me these once in a while. So ang Active Greens, this is a food supplement. When we eat food, may nakukuha tayong vitamins and minerals sa kanila. So for example, yung mga vegetables, sa mga hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay dyan, this is a good alternative, pero I would honestly recommend na you still incorporate vegetables in your diet. Yung maganda dito is it's loaded with micronutrients. So some of the vitamins and minerals, hindi nyo nakukuha if you don't eat vegetables, pwede nyo kunin dito. Now, this is not my favorite in terms of taste. I've tried multiple, pero hindi ko lang talaga gusto yung lasa masyado ng mga greens supplements. No? Pero ayun, yung purpose talaga nito is if you do not eat vegetables, this is a good alternative. It has mga 35 calories per scoop and it's gonna be good for your internal health. Wala masyadong epekto sa external health nyo, like will you get ripped, get bigger, wala. It's just gonna help you be healthier inside. Next supplement we have so nakita nyo na to ilang beses. This is an active isolate. This is a protein supplement. I use Athlean, pero all honesty guys, I switch brands once in a while. My other favorite brand is called Dimetize ISO 100. And the reason kung bakit gusto ko yung mga isolate, kasi wala siya masyadong preservatives, wala siya ibang additives. So pure protein talaga siya. Ako kasi guys, honestly napapansin ko pag whey concentrate or yung normal whey, mas nagbe-breakout ako. So nagkaka-pimples ako sa skin ko, sa face ko, sa back ko, sa katawan ko. And that's totally normal. Even without the supplement, it's a genetic thing. Pero sa akin, pansin ko lang, pag hindi siya isolate, mas nagbe-breakout ako. So that's why I opt for this one. Tsaka mas mababa yung calories niya. I mean, yung usual question na tinatanong sa akin, Coach, kung nagbo-bulk ako, okay ba to? Yes. I would honestly prefer this over mass gainer kasi yung mga mass gainer loaded with a lot of stuff yun. So this will help you hit your protein intake. Samahan mo pa rin ang pagkain. So yung carbs mo, kunin mo sa normal sources, pasta, rice, noodles, whatever you like. You can supplement a scoop or two of protein. Kasi for example, ako, I'm around 170 plus pounds. If I need around 170 grams of protein, 2 scoops nito, 50 grams na kagad yun. So yung food na kakainin ko, much less compared to if hindi ko to intake. Kasi guys, honestly, kung puro chicken breast or tuna or mga high protein food, nakakaumay rin siya. So mahihirapan kayo kumain. And this supplements that. Mas madali mo talagang may hit yung goals mo if you have something like this. Do you need it? No. Can it help you? Definitely. Next supplement natin, we have Creatine Monohydrate. So ang creatine, this is one of the most researched and most scientifically backed supplement out there. So ako, I personally use this. Currently, hindi ko siya ginagamit right now kasi hindi ako masyadong consistent with my training. Pero pag consistent ako, I use this. Now, what does this do? It actually helps you get a bit stronger. Hindi yung insane na lalakas ka ng sobra-sobra, pero you can bang out an extra rep or two, tsaka mas may muscle endurance siya. Now, I hear a lot of people talk about, magbo-bloat ka dyan tutubigin ka dyan Guys, if you are lean, regardless of water weight, you are lean. So if you really prioritize your training, gusto mong lumaki, this is the best supplement. The way I take this is before training with my pre-workout, every day. May mga ibang tao, naglo-loading phase sila, so dinadamihan nila for the first week or two. Pero ako personally, I just try to keep it consistent. Mas madali for me every pre-workout. Kailangan mo ba to? Hindi. Pero I would recommend kung seryoso talaga kayo sa physique goals nyo, gusto nyo mag-build ng muscle, gusto nyo lumakas, try nyo to. And let me know down in the comments below if you feel a difference with creatine. It's gonna be subtle, hindi siya yung biglang wow, pero it really works. So ito for the last few ones, I actually have a little bit left pa. This is melatonin. So kung di nyo pa alam, melatonin is a sleep aid. Hindi siya yung typical bodybuilder supplement. Pero guys, ang recovery tsaka yung sleep importante. And ako sometimes when I'm super busy, nahirapan ako makatulog. Ito, I'm gonna link some articles down below yung sa effectivity niya so you guys can check it out for yourselves and you can try it out for yourselves. Pero yung sa akin, subtle din siya Once I take a pill or two, 30 minutes before bed, magla-lights off na ako. Kasi if your phone is open, hindi rin siya ganun ka-effective. Pero sometimes, pag pagod talaga ako and I take this, talagang diretso tulog ako. So if you guys have a problem with sleep, I recommend this one. Tsaka maganda siyang hard reset kung kunyari nasanay kang puyat. Normally, napakahirap bumalik sa normal routine, normal schedule. Kailangan mo talagang gumising ng maaga para mag-adjust yung body clock mo. But this one can help. Pero ako pansin ko, when I take this, minsan may crazy dreams. Just a word of warning. Huwag niyo rin i-overdose to. Alam ko it's not so good if you do. Just take the normal recommended amount. For me, that's 1 to 2 pills kasi this one is 3 mg per pill. So the next supplement, ayun. This is actually one very underrated supplement na pinag-usapan na nito ni Jeff Nippard, ni Greg Doucette, maraming research about it, and it's very underrated. Ako, I've recently tried this pa lang. This year ko pa lang siya tinitake. This one is called Ashwagandha. So Ashwagandha, it's an Indian medicinal herb. Ang dami niya talagang benefits. From reducing your blood levels, increasing your testosterone, reducing stress and anxiety. I'll link some research articles down below. They did test it out on some people. Alam ko may mga group na binigyan ng Ashwagandha, may mga group na hindi binigyan. And they found na may difference talaga dun sa mga binigyan ng Ashwagandha. Not completely a bodybuilding supplement as well, pero dahil sa testosterone boosting effects niya, tsaka sa lower stress anxiety, better sleep, nire-recommend ko talaga to. This is very, very underrated. Another thing na maganda dito, it can lower your cortisol and yun yung stress hormone mo. So kung lagi kang stressed, you can try this one out. Syempre, as time goes by, there will be more research, so mas marami tayong matututunan more about this supplement. So I'll link it down in below kung gusto nyong basahin, you want to check it out, you want to do more research, go click the links in the description. And for our last supplement, this one is called 5-HTP hydroxytryptophan. So yan siya guys. I'm gonna link some articles down below, pero ito, it reduces my stress and anxiety and I really feel it. Some of my friends also use this and talagang nakakatulong to sa mood. If you're feeling down, medyo gloomy yung mood mo. Kasi this one helps with your serotonin levels and serotonin yung happy hormones natin. It's subtle as well, so hindi siya yung amazing na wow, I feel great kaagad. Pero you take it regularly. I take a pill or two before I sleep alam ko with these kinds of stuff, there's still continuing research. So I'll link the ones that I've found down below. Pero ako, I personally use this and I recommend it. And a lot of people I know, kahit di sila nag-workout and they just want to feel better, they take this as well. So for the supplements that I talked about, you guys can do your own research as well. I did some research, tsaka ito yung based from my personal experiences. Hindi ko naman siya i-recommend kung hindi siya okay. Kasi alam nyo naman sa supplement industry or even sa bodybuilding world, sobrang daming na ma-market as amazing or okay na supplements. Pero these are the ones na deep down, I honestly believe makatulong sa inyo kasi nakatulong siya sa akin. So kung bago kayo dito, my name is Jacob. Please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like. And if you've tried some of the rarer ones, let me know down in the comments below. Pag-usapan natin siya. So with that being said, sana marami kayong natutunan. Check out the other videos and I'll see you guys in the next one.